The Alpha 6 baby carrier is designed to provide exceptional comfort for both infants and toddlers, featuring an ergonomic design with a supportive belt to alleviate back strain. Parents can carry their little ones with peace of mind, knowing the carrier meets stringent safety standards, accommodating toddlers weighing between 8 and 35 pounds. This carrier encourages parents to stay active and bond with their children, creating lasting memories as they explore the world together. Constructed from durable 1000 denier nylon with heavy-duty shoulder straps and high-quality hardware, the carrier is built to withstand daily use and the challenges of parenting. The removable and washable polyester liner ensures easy maintenance, allowing parents to keep the carrier clean and fresh for their child's comfort. Alpha 6 Baby stands behind their product with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, offering a hassle-free return policy for any dissatisfaction.